Here's how to hide your Instagram following and followers list. Now, I'm on my iPhone as well as my Android. I'll walk you through the exact steps no matter which device you have on Instagram. The first thing you're going to do to basically try to hide the following or the followers list, there's not a clear, straightforward way, but there are kind of two tricks to be able to do this. First, just tap on the profile button at the bottom right. And then next, tap on the three lines at the top right. After you've done that, scroll down a bit, again on either device, and choose Account Privacy here midway down. You'll be able to see when your account is public, your profile basically can be seen by anyone, but you can make it private. This is the first option to toggle private account on and switch to a private account. However, this isn't the greatest option because essentially this means no one else can see your content unless they request to follow you. So this is one option. Unfortunately, there aren't great options within Instagram. Another option is to tap the back arrow and then right under cross posting, tap on blocked here. Another option, if you don't want a specific person to see your following or followers list, is to tap the plus at the top right and then just choose somebody's account and just tap on the block button to be able to block them, and they won't be able to see any of your content as well as your following and followers list. Unfortunately, these are the best options available within Instagram. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.